In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track your regular sewer cleaning or inspection progress through the use of a color-coded map like this one. It shows which sewer lines have not yet been inspected during the cycle and the results of the ones that have. So, let's start by showing you how to set up your sewer layer to track this progress. This assumes you already have a sewer mains layer with every segment of sewer line already drawn. If you don't have that, Video 201 shows you how to draw a sewer network. The first thing we are going to do is add a cleaning status field to our layer. To get to the Add or Remove Field screen, click on the Layers button and click on the layer. Then click the More tab and click Add Remove Fields. Click Add Field here. And we're going to title this field Cleaning Results. In the field type, select Pick. Now, in the pick list, I'm going to add options to describe the condition of the line discovered after the line was cleaned. You might want to add more detailed choices to your pick list, as these are just an example. We will use the blank choice to mean not yet cleaned. Let's add another field where we can record any specific problems we observe. Add a text field called Cleaning Details. Next, we are going to color code this layer based on the pick list we just created. Click on the Settings tab and click Classify next to the line color. Select the Cleaning Results field and apply. We can customize our colors by selecting a different color here. Click Apply and save display settings. Now, if you look at the legend here, you can see the lines are color-coded based on the cleaning results. Now that we have our layer set up, it's time to start recording our progress. Each time you clean or inspect a segment of sewer, you simply click on it and change the results to OK. You will notice that the sewer automatically changes color. If you run across a sewer line that has a few routes, you might set the results to some problems. In our Details field, I'll record routes. If you don't want to record these results one at a time, you can alternately use the Select and Modify tool to mark multiple lines as OK. Click on the Menu button and click the Select and Modify tool. Then draw around the area containing lines that are OK. And click Set Field Value in the Action menu. Pick the Cleaning Results field and type OK in the field value. Then confirm. Now the selected lines are now green to show they are OK. Every few years when you restart your cleaning cycle, you will want to first reset these cleaning fields so that you are starting with a blank slate. To do this, click on the Layers button and click on your layer. Then click on the Browse tab. In this action menu, select All, and then select Set Field Value. Pick your Cleaning Results field, and set the field value at blank. Apply. Then repeat the process for the Cleaning Details field. Even though we just reset this cleaning status for all of the lines, the Notes field automatically retains a history logging every time something changed on this line in the past. So, I can see the specific dates and times that this line was cleaned. I can also see records that some problems were identified and defined as routes. That is how to use your map for sewer cleaning. I hope this is helpful.